Running a language report in Aspen for students with assigned languages. Click Select School at the top of your page. Select your school by clicking on the radio button beside the name and then click OK. Click on the Program's top tab. Click on the Reports button and select Quick Report from that drop-down menu. Click on the circle beside Saved Report. And then scroll down until you find Students with Assigned Languages. Now, if you click Finish, it'll just pop up on your screen, which is fine if you just need something really quick to see. So I'll show you what that looks like. It just pops up right there on my screen. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. But sometimes I want to take this data and I want to be able to print it off, or I want to be able to manipulate the data in a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. So I'll show you how to do that next. You're going to go into Reports again, Quick Report, Saved Report, Students with Assigned Languages. And this time, instead of clicking Finish, I'm going to click Next. I'm going to continue clicking Next until I get to a very last piece here. And this is where it says where the format options. I'm going to click on this little thing that says Web Page on the little arrow beside it and select comma separated values. And this is a CSV file that I can then import into Google Drive. So it's giving me this little yellow thing, which is letting us know whenever you download something, it's going to stay on your computer. And we need to always be very cautious and think about student privacy. So nothing should stay on our computer for very long that has private student data on it. Okay, so it's just a reminder that you'll need to delete this after you're done using it. I understand the risks. Continue. All right. And then after I've done that, then I can click on Finish. So now it's going to give me a CSV file. I want to name it something that I'm going to remember. So if this is my Centennial Public School, I might name it CNC Students with Assigned Languages, just so I can remember what it is. And then I'm going to click the Save button. So now that I have this, I can actually open it up in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go into Google Drive, drive.google.com. And I want to click on my upload that just uploaded. And I want to open it using Google Sheets. That way I know for sure it'll work on my Chromebook. I do not have to worry about compatibility issues. It's a wonderful thing about a CSV file. It can be pulled into any program. Okay, so at the very top, I'm going to always go View, Freeze, one row. I always want to freeze the first row so that whenever I sort this data, I'm not getting the titles mixed in. I want to click on, let's say, language spoken here, A to Z. This quickly sorts them by languages. And there are two languages represented here. There's first language, and then there's also language spoken at home. So just be aware of that. You can check both of them to see if your student has another language.